How to reset password in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to reset your password on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top, just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find settings option at the bottom, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find your profile just right here on the account settings. Select it. Then here you can find add email address. Now to reset your password, you need to tap onto this. Select it. Then now you can see Reddit has sent us a link to create a password. Now simply check your email. After that, here you can find reset password just right here after opening that link. Select it. Then simply add a new password just like this and confirm the password. And after doing that, tap on to reset password. And that's it. This is how you can reset your password in the Reddit app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.